Community. Today I have specific subjects where we are going to discuss something is enhancement and one features on the Odoo specific to the reasons where the people struggling lot with the manual works and paperwork. So it's a particular niche for the African regions. So even before we start the presentations, I would like to tell you the one story because the couple of years I have spent in the different African countries and what I felt there, what I find there. Just I want to tell you this story. So it's like that. There should be let's assume the one of the persons called the Amina. She is HR manager in the mid-size company. How her day start? Her day start like that. Oh, juggling the attendance, find it from the various executives and departments, different biometrics attached to the different places. Gather that data, input that all data in the Excel, finalize who is present, who is not present. Another things are that there should be a when we can say like okay there should be a 26 day of working, somewhere is a 30 days of working, 9 hour shift, 24 by 7 shift. Suddenly we find oh these are the security guard, they have to 7 day work, and another guy so no he have to 24 hour work, 24 hour off. So this kind of different complexity in the real industries when we look in. This is just story I am talking from the Luanda, Angola, where the hundreds of the HR managers doing the same thing every day. When we move from Luanda to Lubumbashi or Kinshasa, specifically in the DRC zone, the maybe the geography change, but struggle will be remain the same. Again the same thing, but with the different compliance, different law, and the law and compliance is also changed very frequently. Okay, so manage this in the Excel is a very difficult. With the local HRMS software is also very difficult. And also there should be a certain things might be for us when we are sitting in the Europe or Asia, sometimes it's not like that. But the real struggle, the one day employee come, hey my wife is ill, I need an advance salary for 3 months. Okay, anyhow company approve that. But again he said no, not deduct my salary, I need to pay you in the installment for next 6 months. So again the HR manager have opened to Excel. She has to calculate, okay, he is paying X amount, how to calculate in 6 installment and deduct every month. Okay, now this is done by HR manager, but end of the month when they are do the calculations, they forget deduct the 10%, 5% of the advance salary. And what happened? He got the full paid. After 3 months, again they realize we paid the advance salary, but we did not deduct it from that person's. So who will be responsible for that? So you understand the pain. This is the across to the reasons they have, the HR people have the same pain they are feeling. Now what? If we have the single solution to resolve these issues where we have the compliance error, we have the manual paperwork error, and we do that all in the single platforms. Because recruitment is also not easy. You found the many employees with the same name and same description and so. We have to hiring from the external agencies to getting people in the African regions. Also the let's assume 10% people are not local, especially middle management or the skillful workers. They are coming from Europe, Asia, and so. So they have again the different compliance, different law, different salary structure. So even within the company there are 2-3 kind of different salary structures we have to manage. So that's why it's a very complex procedure for HR managers, HR people, and they are not able to focus on the people, rather than they are just struggling with the paper and Excels, right? To make their life easier, we have craft the Odoo with the things how we solve their real life problems. So this is the all-in-one solutions we are giving to the across Angola, DRC, and such a countries with the localized Odoo. And it's definitely when we're talking about the Odoo, it is also integrated with all other applications. So let me bring to that one. So we are a Caret IT. India-based gold partner company. We have also presence in the Angola, Luanda. We have also presence in the Lubumbashi, DRC. We are also a partner in the Canada. And let we go to that. We are in 10 plus year in the industry. We have delivered 255 plus projects, and we are 50 plus qualified people who working with the Odoo at the moment in our team. Again, I put the screen of the team here is only that how we better manage the people, how we optimize the processes which help the end employee's life. Okay. So key challenges, as I said, managing HRMS in the Africa. What happened? Different countries, different laws, complex hiring procedures, complex payroll structures, lack of real data, time and reporting, unorganized onboarding process. Okay, so these are the major challenges as I told in the story. Then what happened? Let's assume we look at the specific, the DRC reasons. What happened? There is a share rate like 5% salary paid by employee, pension, occupational raise, family benefits, and some paid by employer, branch covered notes, INSS covered pension, family benefits. So this kind of the complex salary structures what they have at the moment, right? And it's frequently going change. Maybe this year one, another year it is changed with the rate, another some they are add the another rules like this. Again, income tax must be with the withholding taxes, special treatment for certain bonuses, intimates and termination payments. Payroll must be managed the Congolese franc or the for legal compliance. Defining the tax treatment for allowance and fringe benefits. Same again when we move just beside to next country, kind of the same like social security, employee empowerment contributions, uses a Kwanzaa in the Angola, so they have again their local things, different employment contract types, specially incentives or legal exemptions like when we are hiring young people or disabled people, special zone effects, deduction, contributions, informality, non-compliance and coverage issue. The Social Security Institute notes many employees do not contribute sometimes due to the ignorance or neglect. Company have to manage that compliance as well at their end. Progressive tax rates, threshold and exemptions. Angola follows the progressive tax breaks imposed, they call in Portuguese, for employee instances from last 2024. So these are the different geographical or country specific issues at the moment what they are facing there. So how we did? We did a customized HRMS feature with the Odoo, which is attractive job page, employees background verifications we enable it, internal verification approval we did for when we are talking about the hiring, even the replacement. Let's assume one department want to replace the resources. They say, okay, I need the couple of people in my department, but suddenly they have to look, are their department have their budget to hiring? They are approved by the finance or maybe the management. No, again he have to open Excel and he have to go back and see what are the budget for hiring this year. So that we cover here. Then after customized offer letter, placement agency. As I said, the hiring is done by some of the external placement agencies. So how external placement agency also use the same platform, and whatever resume or data they are sending, they will be also in the same system rather than they are just send the email with the 550 or 510 resume and you shortlist. No, every process should be in the single portal. But partial saving of the application form. Even let's assume there another issue in that reason is the internet. Now it's slowly is improving, but sometime even when you are filling the form, suddenly your internet get disconnected. If you did not save your application, what will be happen? So here we have the options like even we are doing the partially save or auto save. That's also allowing us in the website also. Customized folder for employee documents. Even we input there the OCR, so even you no need to complete the field data. If you just upload your resume, either it is in the Portuguese, either it is in a French or English. System automatically detect your resume's data and it will be automatically fill the form. Yes, okay, so here you see the some of the manpower requisitions forms. When department need a manpower, how they will be do a request. Another side is a replacement requisitions form, so they, when they want to interchange from one department to another department, or they want to replace the resource, how is the process will be go. Job applications forms, you may be see here the complete different customized forms, which is again is in multilingual, like when Angola in we using Portuguese, in Congo we are using French, in Ghana sometimes they are using English, but sometimes they have their local language enables, we have did there as well. That what I am talking about, the OCR form, just you upload your resume, system automatically detect all the data in the resume and they will be filled for you. So that are the some of the things we have did, like how it is implemented Odoo, efficient vacancy management, easy for external partners, application automate through OCR, improved candidate experience, systematic document management we have also enabled, manual vacancy tracking we are doing there, no centralized system for applications. So these all challenges we are solving with these applications. Okay, the outcome is that what we implement trailer app in 3 to 4 company, and what we realize that 45% about their hiring cycle are there. They know that what resume coming to them, in which stage they are interviewed, they are selected, or which stage they are. 80% on the reductions in the manual errors. Okay, improve the compliance and transparency. When they have to every month they need to print a particular report for the government and legal compliance, they are also improved. Positive feedback from the candidates, they are getting automated, because everything is automated. Once they do and they submit the applications, system automatically send them all the email and everything, so they are also helpful for them. Improve the compliance, transparency, positive feedback from the candidate. Conclusion, so as a being an implementation partner and presence in that, solving the unique challenges of that reasons, we are solving this issue for the real time things, because in these reasons the employees are high. Let assume 500 employees, 1000 employees, 300 or more than that employees in the each and SMEs level companies, because companies either are manufacturing, either in the retail business or FMCG. So managing that people with the old age HRMS software or Excel, it is a complicated, and that's why we move with the Odoo, and we are solving the real life problem there for these people. Okay, so how we did is or how our methodology to implement Odoo in this region is, like we do first the process evolution. What are the challenges they are facing at the moment? We meet each and every executive, we meet each and every department head, and then we will be go to the management. This is your strategy. Like these are the what bottom level employees or the executive saying when they are doing, they are starting their day, what is their challenges, how they their start day and how they are ending. They are just doing the paperwork, or they are also doing their actual work for that they are hired. So from there we start the process. Final we get the approval from the management. Based on the final requirement what we are gathering from the each and every department, we are making the blueprint for that one. Once the blueprint is improved, our technical team, our consultants do a designing for them, like how it should be a look like, how final system will be there. Then after that we will be go rollout stage where we are doing the actual implementations. First we start with the particular department, and there also the different cities or the multi-company cultures are also there. So on that we cannot roll out or implement complete system in the one shot. So we choose the department, we get the result from that, we find the errors and tweak that, fix it, and then we'll be go for the complete rollout for the entire system. And also there should be certain things we have to take care is like that, because training is a very crucial. User are not that much technology So we have to educate them in terms of it's a HRMS training, or when they have to how to they apply the leaves, in even the HODs or junior level managers, how they will be do the operations for the end employees. So that how we will be roll out our implementation, and after that we have the launch and optimizations for that. This is the how we are doing, how we are working in the African regions, and that's our footprint in this market. Okay, so yeah, this all about these presentations. If any have questions, they may ask, or if they have, they may be come for a demo at our booth. We are in the hall number 10 H1, where we are standing there. So if any further demo required or any queries, you may be come to there and we will be discuss, or if any Q&A, we will be discuss here too. Okay, thank you for your time. Well, okay. So, answer to that questions, as I said, they are the frequently changing there, right? So once we get the intimations from their head of the resource or people management, or might be the legal advisors, we have to do the changes in our especially the payroll structure, because the rules are more or less changes in the payroll structure that are not 100% change, but either it is a percentage level change or some of things they are adding. Let assume some, because I witnessed there for a couple of years, so I understand how they. Let assume some employees have the certain level of the family members, they get the certain benefits. Let assume 2 kids, they get one benefits, more kids they get another benefits, or kind of things. And such a kind of rule, sometime they are changed. Before, let assume 2 kids they are getting one benefit, but now the government stop that, no, we not giving that benefit. So that kind of structure mostly in the payroll we have to change, and it is a structure level changes, not I can say the core level changes we have to do.
Thank you, that's it.
Yeah, okay.